So the formula is x power n integral x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So we will see the application number 1. The first application, see, so suppose x cube dx is equal to x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. It's equal to x power 4 by 4 plus c. And second example, if you take negative power, so this equal to x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 is equal to x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. And if you take the power, fraction power, like this, if you take this, x power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to x power minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2. This we can write minus 2 by root x, x power 1 by 2 is root x plus c. Thank you.